5 times 4 divided by 4 times 5 equal what? Here 5 times 4 gives us 20 divided by this 4 times 5 gives us 20. 20 divided by 20 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication, then this division, then this multiplication. Here 4 times 5 gives us 20 divided by this 5 times this 4. Now I have to work with this division. Here 20 divided by 5 gives us 4 times this 4. 4 times 4 gives us 16, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.